Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Changing it up a little today. So as you normally know, if you watch our videos, Charlotte usually does the unboxings. Well, today I'll be doing the unboxing, mostly because I know this will be a shock. I got in a little bit of trouble. So when this Ninja Woodfire Pro outdoor grill got advertised and put on pre-sale, I quickly took a screenshot, sent it to Charlotte, and she just as quickly said no. Well, as you can see, I didn't listen very well. And so she's boycotting the unboxing. So you've got me today. Well, you know, things could be worse, I guess. Because we are talking about a grill. And you know me, I love my grills. Grills, smokers, everything. And I also love Ninja products. So there we go. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what comes with it. Now this is the Pro version. It is 1700 watts for the smoker. I did get a little bit of bonus kit with it when I bought it because I went with the big kit. So I cheated a little bit and I cut the tape, mostly because I didn't think you guys would want to see me cut my hand if I did it, because anything can happen when I play with knives. All right, so we got a couple of handles, so obviously some assembly required. Right. We have a probe. We have a scoop. It looks like a drip pan. And that looks like a smoker chamber. So, a couple of boxes. All right, let's get this bad boy out. Woo, she's big. Wow. Compared to the Ninja grill, the air fryer and griddle, that's quite a bit taller. All right. So you have mode control here. Turn that a little bit. So you have mode control here, wood flavor technology on. Some up and down arrows, probably for temperature and time, start, a preset, and manual control. Fry basket, because this is also an air fryer. So you can do some air frying outside when you're entertaining. Griddle pan and the element. All right, let's just go in like the other one. Sets in like so. Now you can see based on here, let me get the other pan. Yeah, you can see the size difference in those two pans. They're about the same width, but definitely wider and a little bit longer. So, be able to do more in this bigger size, which is good because we're going to smoke with it, right? I think you could get at least a full rack of ribs split in half in there. And so it's a little bit bigger. Let's see what the book says here. So, convection fan, integrated smoke box, and it burns real wood pellets. Now, like I said earlier, I got a bonus kit when I bought this one, so I got a little bit extra. I got some pellets. So I got a cover because this is meant to be outside. silicone mitts so I don't burn my hands. As you know, I normally wear the cotton gloves with the black latex over them, so probably won't use those too much, but they'll be nice in the kitchen. The combo crisper basket, so you can separate like your potatoes and vegetables in here. These are the handy dandy meat forks with plastic tips, safety first. And then 3 kinds of pellets. Got a nice big bag of all-purpose, a little bag of robust, and a bag, another little bag of all-purpose. So they say this bag can do up to 3 cooking sessions. Hickory, cherry, maple, and oak. This one is cherry, maple, and oak. All right, so not too much to this unboxing today, but tomorrow we're going to continue on. I'll get everything put together, get the handles on and so forth. And we're going to take this outside, set it up, and we're going to cook a pork shoulder. I went out and bought a 4-pound pork shoulder, just over 4 pounds. So we will trim that up down to about 4 pounds. Looks like it'll easily fit in here. And we're going to smoke pork shoulder until it's done. So we'll see how, it'll be a good test for this on how long one of these bags will take. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow.